And you want to walk to Mommy? Hi. Oh, don't run. Don't run, honey. Don't run. Honey, don't run. It's okay. You can walk slower. You're only 10.5 months. You don't have to run. Good. Come on, buddy.
Come here, buddy.
You want to walk?
Here.
Oh, look what Daddy has for you. Uh-oh.
Come and get it.
Oh, no.
Come and get
Aaron.
Reese's Pieces.
Aaron.
Come and get it. Wait, come over here.
Aaron.
Come over here and get it. Oh, sorry, buddy.
Don't run, buddy. Walk slowly.
Reese's Pieces. It's like E.T., but it's a peanut butter cup.
Teasing him. Aaron.
That's how you get E.T. to move. Reese's.
Aaron. Cutie pie.
Steven Spielberg knew it. He knew it. He knew it.
Don't run. Ah.
He almost got it.
Oh, it's okay.
We've got peanuts.